Are you a commerce graduate and wondering what to do next? Looking for the perfect start for your career? Then let us introduce you to our Business Accounting Specialist Program. This program is specifically created to provide you with the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in the world of accounting and to build a successful career. Our curriculum covers a wide array of topics that will give you all the relevant skills necessary for your job. Practical accounting, tally prime, goods and services tax, income tax, business law, MS Excel, ESI and PF, and SAP S/4HANA FI. Our program has been designed by our expert team of chartered accountants and industry experts and comes with job-oriented training with the help of real-world case studies, hands-on practice of return filing using simulation software, industry-relevant study material, and 100% placement assistance. What more could you ask for? Wait, there is more you need to know. We are an authorized training partner for Tally, SAP, and also accredited by NSDC. Upon completion of your program, you will earn 5 certificates that will help you boost your career so that you will get the best from the best. Our practical, real-world approach equips you with the skills that are directly relevant in the job market and prepares you for a great career in just 5 months. If you are looking to fast-track your career in accounting, Finprov Learning's Business Accounting Specialist Program might be the key to your success. With a growing demand for accounting experts, now is the perfect time for you to embark on this educational journey. So why wait? Enroll now with Finprov Learning.